Hi students, in this video I'll be going through review exercise 10, question 2b. Alright, so this is one of the questions for your homework assignment. So we are asked to solve the equation 3 tangent square x plus 5 tangent x equals to 0, where x is an angle that is between 0 and 2 pi. Okay, so let's write out the equation first. So 3 tangent square x plus 5 tangent x equals to 0. Right, so the basis for this kind of question is this. On the right hand side, we already have equals to 0. Okay, so if we are able to express the equation as a form, like let's say a times b equals to 0, then just like a normal quadratic equation, we can write either a is 0 or b equals to 0. Okay, so now we need to transform this particular equation into this form. And for this one, we can see that there's a common factor of tangent x, right? So maybe we can try to factorize tangent x out. So tangent x, we take out, we get 3 tangent x plus 5 is equals to 0. Alright? Okay, so from here, we will get either tangent x equals to 0 or 3 tangent x plus 5 equals to 0. Okay, so what we need to do is solve both equations. Okay, over here now we have two equations and find all the values of x that are within this range. Okay, so what angle tangent what will give us 0. Okay, so if you recall, the answer would be pi lah. Okay, so for this kind of question, usually I would think about the tangent graph. Okay, so a tangent graph looks like this. So there's an asymptote over here at 90 or pi over 2. Okay, so this is pi over 2. Okay, so a tangent graph will look like this. Okay, then the next asymptote will be 180 degrees away. So it will be 3 pi over 2. Okay, and over here will be actually pi, right? So the graph will look like this. Okay, so tangent graph will look like this. So curve up, and then over here, go here. So actually at this point, okay, where the angle is pi, okay, so if let's say this graph of y equals to tangent x, okay, when x is pi, right, then the y will be 0. Okay, so now tangent is 0 means y is 0, so y is the angle that gives 0. Okay, so one way is to think about the curve lah. Okay, think about the curve, and that will allow you to get the answer straight away. So the other values of x will be 0 and 2 pi. Okay, but now there's no equal sign over here, so the range does not include 0 and 2 pi. So that's why we don't write down 0 and 2 pi. Okay. Okay, so the next one, let's solve the other equation. So this one, tangent x will be negative 5 over 3. So we're going to let tangent, the basic angle, equals to 5 over 3. So if you calculate out the basic angle, it will be 1.030. Okay, so now tangent is negative. So we'll have to go for the second and fourth quadrant, right? So in the second quadrant, okay, the general angle, okay, will be pi minus the basic angle. Here in the fourth quadrant, it will be 2 pi minus the basic angle. Right, so this will yield the two answers, 2.11 and 5.25. Okay, so we will group all the three answers together and try to arrange them in ascending order. So it will be 2.11. Pi is a 3.14159, so it's a 3 point something. Then we'll have 5.25. Right? Okay, so this would be the answer for this particular question. So remember, always try to turn it into this form, okay? A times B equals 0, so that we can write either A equals 0 or B equals to 0. And then we solve both sides. Alright?